Now we can go ahead and play with this data. Let's say we want to rank, we want to rank them. Like, for example, who scored the highest marks, who scored the lowest marks, and things like that. Now, we can hide the student ID because, of course, in regards to the marks, like, of course, the ranks will be... Anyway, let's just hide this first. To hide, you just select, like, you know how to select a whole column right now. Then you right click, then you choose the option hide. Now, this is the data that we want to use and play with. Now, let me show you one of the methods. First, you can click on any cell, then click Ctrl A. It will automatically select all the data within that, that we've inputted. Then we'll go to insert, and then we are going to insert a table. And for this table has headers. So we'll make sure that we tick this option. We'll make sure that this option is on. Okay. And then let us choose another table format that is simple, and easy to, use and interpret. I think this format this style, not format, this style I think will be okay for now. Now, you see, when we come to total marks, we can be able to sort it. Like for example, from the smallest to the largest, or from the largest to the smallest. And if we choose sort from the largest to the smallest, automatically the data is rearranged such that the one with the highest marks come first, while the one with the lowest marks come last. So this is one of the methods. And then let me also show you another method. So let me just copy this data. To copy, you can select Ctrl C. After highlighting the data that you want to copy, you can select, you can click Ctrl plus C, and then to paste, I just want us to paste them as words. I don't want us to maintain the same format, though we can also opt to use like Ctrl V for pasting. So basically, like, Ctrl A is for selecting all, Ctrl C, then come here, then like Ctrl V. Though when we click Ctrl V, it also comes in the format in which I don't want it to be like that. I just want it to be only the values, because I wanted to show you another way. Yeah. So first of all, now let's unhide. Now, for you to unhide, you'll go to the consecutive or the next column. You remember we hid A. For you to unhide A, we'll go to B. Basically, we'll have to drag it to that column which we hid. And then after dragging it, we now right click and then choose the option unhide, and basically it unhides that column that we hid. So I want the student's ID to be from the smallest to the largest, so that we maintain basically how it was before. Then I want us to select the whole data, then come to sheet 2, and then I just want us to, let me first clear all, and then I want us to paste it. First select all, then let us come back. Let us again Ctrl C, and come to sheet 2, and then choose this option. I only want to paste the values, and then I want the titles to be visible. Let's make them bold as well. Now basically I showed you how you can you can use this sort tool to find basically like the first student up to the last student, etc. Now we are going to use the rank function in this example. So it should start with is equals to rank, and then the open parentheses, just like that. Now first we are going to rank the number using like with a specific reference and with an order either ascending or descending. Now we are going to rank basically the total marks, and then the reference that you are going to use, basically it is the total marks from the total marks data of all the students. And because we don't want the reference to change, we have to put a $sign before H, before to, before each denotation of the cell range that you have selected, and then comma. So 0 shows a descending order, and then 1 shows an ascending order. So we can just choose that one, descending order, then we click, just like that. Then after that we are going to double click, so as to highlight, so as like to not highlight, to autofill the cells down below. Now you can see the first student according to rank is Fiona, just like the other data, and the last student is Dana White. So we can also use this rank function. Suppose we want to rank the students, or we can as well just create a table, and then under the total marks we can opt to to choose like this option to sort with the option of largest to smallest, and basically it will rearrange the students. And even with this functionality, either way it just shows like the rank of the students, but it is not in order, meaning either way we'll have to create the table, then use that filler option that I showed you. Let me hide these first, then select all. Right now you know how to create a table. Then under rank, let's choose another style that is simple. Then under rank, you can from the smallest to the largest. So Fiona Green is number 1, number 2, like that, etc. So that's how we can also use like the rank function to rank the students. Yep. Interesting, right? And don't worry, you're going to learn more when it comes to these functions and etc.